Eat for coffee. Da 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 da. I want to show you something. I just brushed my teeth, so I don't know if I can do it again. It sounds like a big monster. A weird one. And you stick your tongue out and you can feel the back of your throat, maybe your tongue, that vibrates. You done this before? That's brilliant. I just teach everyone to do that. Got mucus in your throat? Spit it out. Or rather, gargle it out. Gargoyle. We're all freaking gargoyle people. He's weird. Ah! Don't say it. In the morning, no one's around. Make toast, sit in here, and besides the news and like 1960, 70, maybe 80 sitcoms who I don't know anything about, like Roseanne and French Prince of Bel-Air. I've seen that French, he's not really French, is he? How do I say that? Maybe like 3 times. So, there's cartoons in the morning. I don't like to watch them anymore. I'm 20. But the good thing is you can say that looks ridiculous. Or like, so ridiculous, I laugh. You're not supposed to laugh when you watch cartoons. But watching Dora the Explorer, it's over there, you weirdo! Yes, he's around. What's his name? The fox. You just call the fox. I don't remember. It's been a long time since I made fun of that show. Right now, I'm watching SpongeBob, and he just looks so... Squidward can't put his head out any larger than that. He is. See, I'm laughing already. And this is just so fun to make fun of them. Things they do are ridiculous and impossible. I can't really tell you anything because I know you wouldn't understand it. Anyways. Good morning. Good morning. Oh yeah, and Squidward, he also walks like this. Like he's marching. That's incredible. That's pretty good. Those writers, no, those drawers. Pretty good.